Hi there guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop your SSL for the website. The SSL is the top left corner mark, which makes sure that the connection is secure. First of all, in your cPanel, you'll have to make sure that you have a valid SSL certificate. To do that, you're gonna go to your cPanel and right here, Control F, for example, search SSL. If you don't find it, just keep on scrolling down and look for something like this, SSL/TLS. Click on SSL/TLS status. And then basically, and right here, you're gonna find the following. So this website isn't really a website. So first of all, right here is its status. It's not showing that it's safe. Right here, this one is actually safe and it already has a validated certificate. So scrolling down and finding our actual domain, which is this one. This installed certificate doesn't cover this domain. Certificate will not renew via AutoSSL because it was not issued via AutoSSL. So you can click view certificate right here. And in another video, I'm going to show you how to actually generate this. So after making sure that you have a valid SSL, go back to your dashboard, go to your plugins, click on add new, and right here, search for this really simple SSL. Click right here. And you're going to be prompted with this page. Click on install now. Click on activate. Once you've done that, you're going to click on install free certificate. It's going to do this and it's going to basically install the certificate automatically for you. Click on save and continue. That's basically it. I agree. We don't want to disable anything. This include alias domain 2. Hosting provider, it's basically Namecheap for me. Gonna click on here. I'm gonna click on save and continue. So now I'm going to basically be prompted with this following. Again, save and continue. If it says that couldn't reach the directory at something, error code no response, we are going to have to click refresh and make sure that it have reached it. If it didn't, okay, as you can see, it did. So we can still go to activation. Right here, we can go ahead on SSL. Now let's click save and continue again. So in some cases, it will take a couple of minutes. Let's click on retry again. And if in a couple of seconds, our SSL should be installed successfully. If it didn't, we will have to follow the article that it has with us. So basically for here, it's saying go ahead. For cPanel, let's go back to cPanel. Let's Control F, Namecheap SSL, click on it. And then basically be prompted with this page. Choose to install SSL installed via Namecheap. As you can see right here. And then choose the one and click on download or whatever you're looking for. But that's basically it. If it's been successfully installed, click on retry. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching and goodbye.